Dear students, in the last session I was discussing regarding the concept of communication. Okay, communication is nothing but exchange of ideas, facts or any views or suggestions with one another. Okay, so in an organization also there should be effective communication from both the sides, from the sides of the manager and from the side of the employees too. Only then we can expect smooth functioning of the organization. Okay, in the last session I have taken up what is the meaning of communication, what are the elements of communication and what are the importance of communication. And in today's session let us discuss regarding formal and informal communication. Okay, the concept of today is formal and informal communication. So, formal communication and informal communication. So, what is this formal communication? See, formal communication in the sense it goes in an official channel, okay, proper agi, officially adu aguvanthadu. Whereas informal communication in the sense is it is unofficial. So, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. So, that is unofficial. But official in the sense is like giving orders or any instructions, sending notice or regarding the work done. Formally the communication has to be passed on here. Okay. So, in today's session let us discuss regarding what is formal communication and what is informal communication. See, formal communication. So, here formal communication in the sense it goes in a or it flows in an official channel. So, it moves officially. So, whatever the information or communication has to be sent, it will move officially. Okay. And just on the points, hints official channel. Always formal communication flows in official channel and the communication takes place between superior and subordinate. Here official or formal communication or formal communication takes place between superior and subordinate. Okay. Next andre gottagtide alla. So illi enagutte idu official ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the interaction or the communication will takes place between the superior as well as the subordinate. Next, here the communication, the official communication or the formal communication, it can be oral or it can be in a written form. Oral andre by ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು, written andre sense it will be it can be in the written form. Okay. So, here the formal channel. So, here the communication always flows in a official channel and the interaction or the communication will takes place between the superior and subordinate, and that communication it can be either oral communication or written communication. And even the communication it can be vertical or horizontal. Vertical, horizontally, top to bottom. So, horizontally, okay, ee reetiyagi. So, illi vertically andre ee reetiyagi. So, horizontal, yes, okay. So, the communication can be either vertical or it can be horizontal. Okay. So, here in vertical communication, here it can be upward or it can be downward. Iga nan helide formal communication either it can be, so it will be in a vertical form or it will be in a horizontal form. So, in vertical it can be upward or it can be downward. So, here upward in the sense the subordinates will communicate with superior. For example, for requesting for any leave, raja keluvanthadu irbodu or requesting for any grants. Okay. So, it will move upward yakandre subordinates will ask the superior, whereas downwards in the sense the communication will flow from superior to subordinates. For example, issue of any notice or giving any instructions, etc. Okay. So, it can be either upward or downward. Okay. As I already said, here the interaction or the communication will takes place between the superior and subordinates, right. So, here the vertical communication either it can be upward or downward. Next, horizontal and the communication takes place here at the same level. For example, between the division, for example marketing department, ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ sales department likewise. So, here the interaction or the communication will take place between the same level or the same division. Hope you are clear with this. So, this is regarding the concept of formal communication. Hope you are getting this. So, here in the formal communication, so whatever the communication we are sending, so it will flow official channel, it will flow in the official channel, and here the interaction will take place between the superior and subordinates. So, official agi hoguva karana. Okay. Next here the communication, it can be either oral or it can be in a written form, and even that communication either it can be in a vertical or in a horizontal. Coming to vertical form it can be upward from subordinate to superior or downward from superior to subordinates. For example, as I said here, for example asking permission for leave, so subordinates superior anna kelbeku, so avrige ಏನೊಂದು grants beku, so requesting for the grants, the subordinates they have to ask for the superior. Likewise here downwards in the sense superior has to communicate, like giving issuing notice or asking for any instructions, okay, or giving any instruction likewise. Okay, so that is vertical. Horizontal in the sense, yes, so here the communication takes place between the divisions of the organization at the same level. Okay, same cadre alli baruvaru ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ discussion, purchase department ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು sales department. So here they will communicate likewise. ಇಲ್ಲಿ superior subordinate ಇಲ್ಲ, so horizontal communication takes place between the divisions. Hope you are clear with this. Okay, so this is regarding the concept of formal communication. Okay, now if we see, we have different pattern in formal communication. So, though we say it is a formal communication, it has to move officially ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, so it has its own pattern. Okay, so I'll explain this now with the diagrams. So, first one is single chain communication. So, here I am discussing the formal communication in that pattern of formal communication. In that, the first one we have single chain. For example, ee reetiyali A, B, C. Okay, so here communication takes place like one to one person. So A communicates with B, B communicates it to C. So single chain alli communication enagutte flow aguvanthaddu. So that is called as single chain communication. Okay, so even see this network exists between the supervisor and his subordinates, as I said earlier. So here the relationship will be between the superior and subordinates. Okay, so here ee reetya, so A to B, B to C likewise. Okay, so hige nimge innu confusion agudadre nodi A, B, C, superior to ee reetya, so A to B or B to C likewise. So here in this network, in single chain network, the communication will take place between the superior and subordinates. Okay, so that is single chain. Okay, next is wheel. Okay, wheel. Now the second one is wheel. Okay, so what is this wheel? Here all the subordinates, idella subordinates, all the subordinates is the superior. Okay, so all the subordinates in the organization has to communicate with this superior. Okay, that is here the superior will act as hub of communication. Okay, on the cycle in a wheel idag nodi ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, in a cycle, in a wheel ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, that wheel will be connected to the hub here in this pattern. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, wheel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so here these are all subordinates. Okay, all the subordinates has to communicate with one superior. Okay, so all the subordinates has to communicate with one superior. Hope you are getting with this. So see here, in wheel network, all the subordinates under one superior communicate through him only. All the subordinates will communicate through one superior only. Okay, so illi main agi yaru irtare, so yes, the superior will act as a hub. Okay, so that is a wheel network. In single chain network, so it takes place between the superior and subordinates. Okay, and here illi main yaru irtare, yes, all the subordinates has to communicate with this superior only. Next is circular. Circular. A, B, C, D, E. Circular. See, here communication will take place in a circular motion. Okay, circular agi hogutte nodi. And here one person, for example, nodi, he will communicate with B, also he will get communication or he will get information from E. Nodi, obbre en martare illi nodi, E inda A ge communicate agide and A communicates to B. Okay, so here the network will be in a circular form. See, circular, in circular network the communication moves in a circle. The communication moves in a circle. Each person can communicate with the adjoining person in this network. So here it will move in a circular way and each person will communicate to adjoining. Adjoin in the sense nodi, ivara hinde yariddaru, ivara next yariddaru. So ಒಬ್ರು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರಿಂದ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ network. Circular network. Next is free flow. Free flow. Yes. So free flow in the sense, see here, free flow in the sense, so ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so these are all subordinates. So what happens? Free flow. Even this person can communicate with this person can communicate with this person. But illi hage illa, in the circular they can communicate only with the adjoining. So our immediate next yaridaro, our immediate hinde yaridaro, andre behind. So our jote matra communicate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But whereas here in the free flow, what happens? So they can communicate freely. Okay, that is free flow. And finally, inverted V. Inverted V is inverted V. Inverted V. Okay. Yes. So here, so these are all subordinates or the employees. So here in inverted V, what happens? See, this person, he can communicate with his superior as well as he can communicate with his superior's superior. So your superior idare, your avarginta superior idare. So here in this inverted V, a person can communicate with his superior as well as his superior's superior. So in this network, a subordinate is allowed to communicate with his immediate superior. So in immediate superior jote communicate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು as well as yes, his superior's superior. Okay, so ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರ superior ಜೊತೆ communicate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this is the pattern of formal communication. So in this formal communication we have single chain, wheel, circular, free flow and inverted V. So in single chain communication what happens? The communication will take place between the superior and subordinate, single chain. Okay, ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ communicate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And whereas in wheel, the superior will be, all the subordinates has to contact that superior only, and here the superior will act as a hub. And next here in circular, here the communication will take place circular motion. ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ communication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And here a single person, he can communicate with a two person. And next, free flow. Here the communication, there will be no proper pattern, free flow. So they have the rights to communicate in their own manner. Yav reeti bekadru communicate agbodu. Here in inverted V, the superior will communicate with the subordinate will communicate with superior as well as his superior's superior. So this is the concept of formal organization. Hope you are clear with this. So in formal organization, I have dealt with all this. So concept of formal organization and pattern of formal organization. Next, let us move to the next concept, that is informal communication. Informal communication. So informal communication, in the sense it is exactly opposite of formal communication. So informal communication in the sense is here the communication takes place without following any formal chain of communication. So here the communication takes place unofficially. For example, workers discussing about rumors that some employees likely to be transferred. So ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸೊ ಈ ಸತಿ ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನ್ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ unofficial communication, and it is also known as informal communication, whereas the chain will not flow officially. So ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, and it is also known as grapevine communication. So informal communication is also known as grapevine communication. See, so what is grapevine communication? Is grapevine, or it is also known as informal communication, is an informal channel of business communication which takes place without following the formal lines. Same. Okay, here the grapevine communication takes place without following the formal lines of communication. It spreads throughout the organization in all directions. So the ಇಡೀ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ವಿಷಯ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಸೊ ಅನ್ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಬಿ followed. Here the communication goes unofficially, and it is also known as grapevine communication, and even it has types. Okay, so illi kuda types ide: single strand network, gossip network, probability network, cluster network. Okay, see single strand network. See single strand network. In single strand network, each person communicate to ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಈಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ to other in sequence. So ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So likewise it will go sequentially. Okay, the next one is gossip network. So ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು gossip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. See, in gossip network each person communicates with all on non-selective basis. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಗಾಸಿಪ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಯಾರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಗಾಸಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಆನ್ ನಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಾಸಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಗಾಸಿಪ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಿರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಾಸಿಪ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ probability network. Probability network, yes, in probability network the individual communicates randomly with other individual. Okay, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿಗೆ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ, ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆದರೆ ಆಯಿತು ಹೋದ್ರಾಯ್ತು, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ takes place. Okay. And finally, cluster network. Cluster network. So here in cluster network, individual communicates with only those people whom he trusts. So in cluster network, only with the people who he trusts, so the communication. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂಮ್ ಐ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು ಈಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ವಿತ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂಮ್ ದೇ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, yes, they will be sharing their feelings or they will communicate. Okay, so these are the different types of informal communication. In that, first one is single strand communication. Here the communication will take place from person to person sequentially. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ sequence ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ communication pass ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. In gossip network, yes. So what happens is, as I said earlier, each person communicate with all. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ನಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ randomly we will select the people and we will communicate with them. And finally, cluster network, with the people whom we trust, only with them we are going to communicate. So this is regarding the informal communication. Hope you are clear with this. So in today's session I have taken up formal and informal organization. I have discussed what is the meaning of formal organization and what is the meaning of informal organization. Only thing is formal communication and informal communication. So formal communication always it moves in an official channel, whereas informal communication it will move in an unofficial channel. Okay, and even I have discussed what are the pattern in formal communication, that is single chain, wheel, circular, free flow and inverted V. And in this the pattern is single strand network, gossip network, probability network and cluster network. Hope you are clear with the session. Thank you.